Palace, and most important, you're welcome to your ancestral home, Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Your Royal Highness, before we start the proceedings of this very important occasion here, we're going to have self-introductions from the distinguished guests who are here. And thereafter, I'll call upon one of us, Dr. Samba, who will give a historical perspective on the relationship between Busoga and Bunyoro Kingdom, so that as we move on today with the program, people should have that background in mind. And after that presentation, His Royal Highness, the Omukama of Bunyoro Kitara, will come so that we're in his presence. So, I'm just saying,
Kangiza kutamba nono kare
singa mujukura kabale
kangiza kutamba kangiza mabini angiriza tule kinobera bembe
Mulekirabe kyekikono tweyimbenga Busoga tebenkerenga ensenense Ngano omutwe gwaife
ale tufuna omwoyo omwamufu
tugonzaganyenga Emina ya Uganda etebenkere
olwaina ifono Busoga kibumba yatuwa
Mulekirabe kyekikono tweyimbenga Busoga tebenkerenga
n'obukombe bwa Busoga
obutawaawo
today, and really I'm thankful for being able to make it. I would also like to congratulate you upon your 9th coronation anniversary, which is celebrated on the 13th of September 2023. And we pray to God to give you more life so that you can celebrate hundreds and hundreds of coronation anniversaries. Your Royal Highness, your presence here today marks a very significant and historical moment in the relationship of the two kingdoms over the 3 dynasties which have ruled Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom for now over 1,000 years. So this is really very significant. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of the Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom, I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to you for always sending us Right Honorable Byakutaga, who has been very consistent in attending our anniversaries here in Hoima. We are very grateful for her unwavering support and love for her ancestors. On the 15th of October 2023, we are honored Sababiito from Eastern region, mainly from Busoga and Imbali. This was a delegation of young people, young and old people, who came to trace their origins and proudly refer to themselves as Bunyoro. We are hopeful that such gestures make our people proud and stronger. And I'm very certain, Your Royal Highness, that by the end of this visit, the relationship between our two kingdoms will be even more stronger. Your Royal Highness, this year, Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom commemorated 100 years since the demise of our great king, Kabagambe, and among the planned activities was to identify and develop important sites related to Kabaganbe's life and reign. One of them being where he breathed his last, located in your kingdom, a place called Impumude, but in Bunyoro, Mwire, literally translated as I have rested. I will therefore be requesting at an appropriate time, together with the administration, to develop this site and identify other areas of collaboration to galvanize our relationship. We welcome Dr. Yoram Musamba, a celebrated historian, an educationist, and a member of the Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom Royal Commission, to highlight the historical relationship of our two kingdoms and therefore the relationship of our people. Thereafter, I shall humbly request you to deliver your message to the distinguished guests and His Royal Highness, the King of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. After that, I shall request the Chairman of the Royal Commission to pass a vote of thanks and invite the Ukwiri, who will deliver a message from Kyabazinga together with the head of the Royal Guardian.
Nyamutukuru niwe yari isenguru mu bitoni Kaboyo Nyamutukuru akagenda akabusoka Nyamutukuru akarwanira ingoma hano na mwene wabo Kasoga yamayira nagenda Busoga baitu kana nagenda Busoga arabi Omumatemba obule mu kagenda hari Bunyoro bali bakama batano habwaki kuli bali bayingi hano bali batayito habo kuba kuli mukatuntuzi wa muno ekiweta slave trade basunkuru gamba kagoda suna tu akamukwa he mtibyo msiku munko kandi kutuza akaba ali mu Nyankomo. Hanyuma bamutesa kitambiriki akalwana na Nkoko na Semeri Kakungu bamunesa ente 300 before he was paid a fine of 300 cows. Kana hanyuma banalo bamuteka mu Nkomo ati sonko Yosia Nadiope akaba ali mwana w'emyaka 10 kyonka bamusomesa obuyasome bamuteeka hangoma bate engoma egyo ekalindwa ntusange zikungambe ekalindwa Muteekanga. Hanyuma Muteekanga akafuuka kateekera Busoga mu 1911. Muteekanga ogwo yali musuubuzi w'amaanyi. Muteekanga atali mu biito akaba musuubuzi muno. Nkamu tukaba tuyina Musamba Ambule Isekajulu alina musuubuzi muno. Yamutukula obwaluga omumatembo alabye Busoga akasanga Muteekanga. Muteekanga yagigumbya ihe lya Basoga bayita hano bayika Ateenyi moko ebyafaayo bino babaine babuzabuza habo obulyo kuze ebyafaayo bya Bunyoro n'obuzaale buno kaza bamuhayiro muhara wakagwa kabaide ekigendererwa ekye kuze ebya Busoga na Bunyoro. Kyonga nkwenda kubasiima Basoga naiwe nkwenda kusiima habo okuteebwa owanyu amaisi debo wabongwe bugada akanyegera kabalega akabanyagire ekishoka kya Buganda atakinyage abantu abo bantu bali bantu bonkama yokata baganda abantu babo paka kunogenda bugerere kuli hona atahamwe nganda zingi zona zakoka mbwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga kyonka hano mbali hanyuma yakugwa fokere bebembezi bakafoka batabebembezi bakafoka bebembezi ba Busoga abakaba kabenya nono yobebembezi yabire Bunyoro mwabale kuyinde none Nadiope akakikira tukambagenzi yobona abakuba abana ba Nyampukura abali Busoga
Lenga. Kangiza kutamba. Kangiza. Wale kuidombo na mdadao. Sangaile ina.
The monk of Bunyoro, the Queen Mother, the Royal Commission, Embaga, all invited guests in respective capacities, all protocol observed. I'll start by thanking you for officially welcoming us to our motherland, which is Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. We are very grateful for the great hospitality. On behalf of Busoga Kingdom, Gibasa Mufino, Olomukwano, Oguli Wagati Waife, ni Mwarazaire. But mu byobuwangwa, it is always good not to forget where you come from. Therefore, we feel we are at home, and we know we are brothers and sisters since time immemorial. One of the reasons why we are here today is one, to officially come back home, where we feel we've been a family for a long time. The second is to officially seek for more blessings, since our culture is more or less the same like yours, emanates from your culture. Therefore, we've come to seek for blessings from you, because in the next couple of days, we have an upcoming function which is very historical. And as children It's always good to get back to your parents, to seek for guidance, to seek for wise counseling, and to seek for blessings, since they're the biggest assets that we have. Today, to officially inform you that on 18th November, your son will officially get married. Hear it from anywhere, maybe in the media, but as parents, we respect you and come back home and inform you officially. Your blessings, to seek for advice and everything else, because we know you're the source of blessings. So, in the interest of time, but to thank you once again for the great hospitality. We'll come back as home. And to eventually invite you officially to attend the royal wedding. I thank you.
Protocol nano, Dr. Kaliisa, Kabagambe, Ateenyi, abaye byakubaza, tukira mu kusiima okubunga kuno bulungo luno, kandi hanyuma aja kuba nayimukia mukuru w'ebikwato kuba nawe nekyagamba hamu n'obutinisa okwiri kwayo ekisembo lundi kwayo obutumwa kuruga hali kabumba waitu
nko bagambire kanga kwinyandure katolika obukuwa abandi tibakumwe kulungi bagange nyowe Dr. Kabagambe Kaliisa anu chairman wa Royal Commission rundi ya protocol which advises on how to govern the kingdom, and also I operate as a senior presidential advisor for oil and gas and the mineral industry in the central government. You said, this man, I know him, he was my boss. But I think we worked together because, you know, before, when Kyabazinga was a young fire, he's actually young, but that time he was much younger, young man, fresh graduate from Makerere with a degree in economics. He worked in the Permanent Secretary's office. That time he was the Permanent Secretary. And then, after which Kyabazinga went to UK for his master's degree. And I'm really happy. Severely, Manyanti Kyabazinga absorb a PhD.
Wonderful.
Nawekyo is not only a resource to his kingdom, but is a resource for us. Twena, se Gabula, we vale umusomoko, we vale kwekulembera, kandi nokutekaho amani agokusoma abokuba abantu bejakurora haliwe example ye kabiri nicyo kusima kwija abazayiri bawe kwija umba abajaja bawe umujukuru senior kwija kubungira kandi no kuranga kubogenda kutunga uswezi urukwera ruri kunamna November. Abana barundi bona bari bajya kuswera bayitumbazire babo nibatunga emigisa kandi naiwe waitu Kyabazinga ujire basaba emigisa kama berasingire uzakageze umuraho utabayireho mugwaroho nawe emigisa yona batwairi to a way about you. So to get over ebyo tubeyo kwesapooti yaitu.
Kandi omwisiki akura nantuswerwa. Omwana bwataswera akuzire kiba kigwagwa. Kandi omwana omwisiki bwataswire abasisi yambaka kityonu omungesi ano iziro bazaire babo kubarangira ngokuzire kando kire kuswera na bwekyo nibaija kuswerera. Mwenda ogwenda abantu. Ente ezo bazitwamu ebicweka Abanyoro ebyokulya byabo galimata n'enyama. Nabo ekipande byekikulu tujja kukwasa ente mwenda rundi enkorogi mwenda. Ebe entandikwa eya nyina abantu. Abakuwa nyina abantu tekeza nakukira akasimu karaga na problem time oli muleta hani. Nyina enkuru amurabire mu makangu gagenda. Enkorogi ezo biba byokulya. Ebyokulya nyina abantu aite kukonyera Kaliisa abaana. Ente ezo tujja kukweza emiga eno girozere emiga enute kora emiga ebiri guno migo gukuliisa migo gukubeera ekubeera bantu bakambe nti benagisa lundi bwoliwo esire kuno okuba okugenda kuswera n'abantu benagise kuno swenkuwamuloli aho oligenda n'ente ezabwoya ziri mwenda.
Ati kwenda kweta okwiri Obunyoro okwiri kimanyisa ise omukulu Sababiito akukwase ebintu bibiri. Kubanza ente bazibweho, ekyakabiri lebarwa ku lwali omukama nemigisa.
Waitu omugo Adyeeri waitu Kyabazinga nyowe nitya okusiima kandi okusemererwa kuruga agokuswera. Ekyokozere kwijja kugambira abazaire bawe nti ogoza kutuleeteranya irungi kibeeru kikuru muno kandi ohikire ito ba Busoga tukimanya mu ruga Bunyoro kandi Bunyoro egira omukuru w'Ababiito kandi omukuru w'Ababiito kuno yali ise wanyu. Ninyijuka emyaka nkena etaano enyuma hari omubiito omu wa Busoga yanyesere iba nyereremu baitu wa winner classic na bwana yes akanyeta
nyagenda nyamuswerera omukazi wagaruka omukanisa naho wabayo kandi abantu babusoga basemererwa muno kandi omukazi wainawo na hati buno so naitwe ababiito nabo hano abandi mwimuke omukono kandi bali ready kwijja Busoga bangambirege bajja kumarayo ebiro 3 minimum
9 days.
Emirimu egyo niyo kutalibanizamu abokuba abakozi ba gavumenti baitu webere tali mirimu ebiro 9 nibo balina bamara Busoga ekirungi itungo gayiga hale Busoga yone gayiga hale mukasinkano ninja kukora omukolo ogwo twateho blessing Kingdom, Karuzika, PO Box 1, Hoima. His Royal Majesty William Wilberforce Gabula Nadiope the Fourth. His Royal Majesty William Wilberforce Gabula Nadiope the Fourth, Kyabazinga wa Busoga. Omukama hamune emyenda ya Bunyoro Kitara nibakutabarukya kutunga obusuwezi oburukwera oburabaho ebiro 18 mwezi guno gwensenene 2023 kandi agayijwire engonzi obusinge nikusemererwa amaka gayijwire engonzi, that is love, obusinge, that is a peaceful home and a happy home nikusemererwa. Yahandika Dr. Solomon Gafabusa Iguru okubanza ukira abasajja agutamba omukama wa Bunyoro Kitara. Ukubonera yati nabajikororuga bunu Mungu please
Fungwa
ngakwane kwasa kisani kinu kya omukama waitu Bunyoro Kitara. Kyarusu bushara hamna batebe ali muntebe ya batebe bwire buno
happy John. Commission of Ateenyi.
Tuli basimu olw'okutwenda emisoga akoba nti atayidi yava niyalaga abataidiyo twebaza baba itiimu olwa olugendo luno. Nda kwongera okuba abalungi ng'abasoga ate era twasaba Mukama okutuwa obulamu obulungi. Thank you very much. We love you.